Scene script. Have you ever wondered how Google, one of the world's most influential tech giants, operates? That's the enigma we're going to unravel today. Google, a name that has become synonymous with the internet itself, started as a simple search engine in the late 90s. Fast forward to today, it's a tech behemoth with its digital tendrils reaching into nearly every aspect of our lives. From answering our most random questions to guiding us on unfamiliar roads, Google has become an integral part of our daily routines. Let's take a moment to consider the sheer scale of Google's operations. Every day, it processes over 3.5 billion searches. That's about 40,000 searches every second. It's not just about the search engine, though. Google's services extend far beyond that, painting a picture of a truly global digital empire. Consider Gmail, Google's email service, serving over 1.5 billion users worldwide. Or Google Drive, the popular cloud storage service that lets you access your files from anywhere in the world. And let's not forget YouTube, the world's largest video sharing platform, which Google acquired in 2006. There's also Google Maps, guiding millions on their journeys every day. Google Assistant, making our lives a little easier with voice-activated help. And of course, Google's Android operating system, powering over 2 billion mobile devices worldwide. These are just a few examples of Google's vast array of services, each one in its own way shaping how we interact with the digital world. But the question remains, how does it all work? How does this tech giant manage to juggle so many services, serving billions of users across the globe every single day? The answer to that is a combination of cutting-edge technology, innovative algorithms, and a relentless pursuit of making information universally accessible and useful. Now that we understand the scope of Google's services, let's delve into how it all works. The journey into the heart of the Google enigma is only just beginning, so stay tuned as we unravel the magic behind the screen. Arguably, the most well-known service of Google is its search engine. But how does it work so accurately and quickly? So let's peel back the layers of the Google search engine, a service that's almost as ubiquitous as the internet itself. At its core, Google's search engine is a complex orchestra of web crawlers, indexing, and ranking algorithms. Firstly, meet the web crawlers, also known as spiders. These are Google's tireless digital explorers that traverse the vast expanse of the web, hopping from link to link, website to website. Their mission? To discover new and updated pages. Imagine them as tireless librarians, relentlessly cataloging every book in the world's biggest library. Next in line is the process of indexing. Once the web crawlers have gathered the data, Google then organizes this information into a giant index, much like the index at the back of a book. This index is constantly updated and contains a copy of every web page that Google's crawlers have found. It's a massive, sprawling database, meticulously sorted for efficient searching. But how does Google decide which results to show you first when you type in a query? This is where the ranking algorithms come into play. These algorithms analyze hundreds of factors to determine the relevance of a web page to your search query. They take into account everything from the specific words on the web page, the region the search was made from, to the freshness of the content, and more. It's a complex mathematical formula, honed and refined over the years to deliver the most accurate results possible. So every time you type a query into that unassuming search bar, a vast, intricate process is set into motion. Web crawlers scour the internet, the index is consulted, and algorithms sift through billions of web pages to deliver the best results for your search, all within a fraction of a second. So, the next time you search for something, remember the complex process that brings you your results. It's a testament to the marvel of modern technology, and it's all happening right under your fingertips. Ever noticed how the ads you see online often relate to your recent searches? That's Google's advertisement business at work. Google's advertisement business operates on a unique blend of technology and marketing. At its core, it's about connecting the right people with the right products or services. But how does it do that? The key lies in the use of data, specifically your search history. When you type something into Google's search bar, it doesn't just disappear into the ether of the internet. Google remembers what you searched for and uses this information to tailor the advertisements you see. This is why, after searching for a new pair of running shoes, you might start seeing ads for sports stores or fitness brands. But there's more to Google's advertisement business than just targeting ads based on search history. Enter Google AdWords and Google AdSense, two key components of Google's advertising machine. Google AdWords allows businesses to create advertisements that appear on Google's search results. These ads are placed at the top of the search results, giving businesses a chance to shine in the spotlight. But it's not just about paying to be at the top. Businesses have to bid on keywords relevant to their product or service. The more relevant and effective the ad, the better chance it has of appearing to the right people. On the other side of the coin, we have Google AdSense. This platform allows website owners to earn money by displaying Google ads on their sites. The ads are chosen based on the content of the site and the interests of the visitors. This means, if you're visiting a cooking blog, you're likely to see ads related to kitchen appliances or recipe books. So, you see, Google's advertisement business is not just about bombarding you with ads. It's about creating a win-win situation where businesses reach their target audience, website owners earn revenue, and users find what they're looking for. Therefore, Google's advertising business is a lucrative blend of technology and marketing. Beyond search and ads, Google offers a plethora of other services. What are these and how do they operate? Let's dive in, shall we? One of Google's most popular services is Gmail, a free email service that has become a staple in digital communication. With its intuitive interface and powerful spam filters, Gmail is not just an email provider, it's a tool for managing our digital lives. And yes, while you're sending, receiving, and organizing your emails, Google is gathering valuable data about your contacts, your interests, and your habits, all to refine its understanding of you. Then we have Google Drive, a cloud storage service that allows you to save files online and access them anywhere from any smartphone, tablet, or computer. It's like having a super-powered hard drive in the sky. But remember, while you're storing your files, Google is learning about the types of documents you create, who you share them with, and what topics interest you. Next up, there's Google Maps, a service that's changed the way we navigate our world. Whether you're looking for the quickest route to work or exploring a new city, Google Maps provides detailed, real-time information to get you where you need to go. And in the process, Google gets to know your favorite places, your daily routines, and even your travel aspirations. Finally, we can't forget about YouTube, the video sharing platform owned by Google. YouTube is a treasure trove of data for Google, with every view, like, share, and comment revealing a little more about your preferences and behaviors. All of these services are interconnected, forming a complex web of data collection. They feed into Google's vast knowledge base, helping the tech giant understand who we are, what we do, and what we want. These services not only enhance our digital experience, but also contribute to Google's vast data network. Google's operations don't end with its services. It has built an entire ecosystem. But what does this mean? Well, let's dive in. The term ecosystem in the tech world refers to a complex network or interconnected system. And Google, my friends, has mastered the art of creating this complex web. It's not just about the services anymore. We're talking about a comprehensive amalgamation of hardware, software, and services, all working together seamlessly. Take a moment to consider Google's hardware. Devices like Google Home and Pixel phones are not just standalone gadgets. They're integral parts of the Google grid. Google Home, for instance, brings Google's services right into your living room, making them a part of your daily routine, while the Pixel phones serve as a vessel for Google's software and services on the go. Now let's talk software. Android and Chrome OS are two of the most prominent examples. Android, the world's most popular mobile operating system, is a testament to Google's influence. From your smartphone to your smart TV, Android is everywhere. Chrome OS, on the other hand, powers Chromebooks, offering a simple, secure, and speedy computing experience. It's Google's way of saying, hey, we've got your computing needs covered too. But where this ecosystem truly shines is in its services. From search to maps, from email to cloud storage, Google's services serve as the glue that binds this ecosystem together. They're designed to work together, feed off each other, and create a cohesive user experience. And what's the benefit for Google? Well, the more you use its products, the more data it gathers. This data is then used to refine its services, personalize your experience, and yes, target advertising. It's a self-perpetuating cycle that keeps Google at the forefront of the digital world. In essence, Google's ecosystem ensures that it remains a vital part of our digital lives.